Murder suspect held while trying to escape crime scene. Mechanic charge in relation to Old Arbor car theft ring. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police in St. James arrested a man suspected of murdering another man on Claude Clark Avenue in Montego Bay, St. James, as he allegedly attempted to flee the scene on Wednesday. The Montego Bay police say about 6:30 p.m., residents saw the suspect stabbing 43-year-old Lincoln Green and alerted the police. The police team responded and accosted the suspect as he allegedly tried to escape from the scene. The suspect's identity is being withheld pending further investigations. Green, who is a bar manager, was found on his veranda in a pool of blood with multiple stab wounds to his upper body. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police investigators in Old Arbor, St. Catherine, on Thursday laid criminal charges against a man held in connection with the theft of several motor vehicles. 28-year-old auto mechanic Cleon Mills, otherwise called Tallman of Garden Wood District, St. Catherine, is charged with larceny of motor vehicle and receiving stolen property. On August 1st, police conducted an operation in Garden Wood community during which 11 stolen motor vehicles were found. The police arrested Mills, who allegedly failed to account for the vehicles. The vehicles were seized and a comprehensive investigation launched, which resulted in Mills being charged.